Good morning, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This morning, we'll talk about Fairdesk.com. It's a wonderful exchange, been around for 3 years now, based in Singapore. I have a lot of trouble here in the UK joining exchanges if you're new to crypto or whatever, and you just want to get on an exchange, get that special token or whatever you want to get. A lot of exchanges now are blocking UK residents from joining. Now, if you're wherever you are in the world, also in the UK, Fairdesk allow you to join, okay, which I think is really important. They've got many parts to the Fairdesk site, which I think is really interesting, which needs highlighting. So we're going to go through the site as like a general overview, okay, but there's one side of it I'm going to do a separate video for, and that is the copy trading. So on the screen here, smooth trading, accurate copying, you can always trust Fairdesk. Now, so I'll do a separate video, otherwise this video will be far too long, as we do an overview of the exchange plus the copy trading, okay. Now, you scroll through, you can see there who trusts Fairdesk. You can see there also talk about their community partners. We've got these licenses from the American government and the Canadian government, which I think really highlights the fact that it's really trusted and they believe in longevity and they want to build the trust. Okay, now you've got these certificates here. You can see there the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network Department of the Treasury. Basically, allows that to actually check Fairdesk that they're not being money laundering, they're being compliant, etc. So I think it's really important they want to get these licenses and show they're being transparent and honest. I think it's wonderful. And also, they've got this Canadian, the FinTrack Money Services Business. You can see there the Fairdesk Financial Markets Limited have been approved there. You can see with their certificates. So I think, again, that speaks volumes for the project that actually want to get the official licenses and be open and transparent. Okay, I think that's really good. Now, you see there, got the bit there. They've also got Fairdesk collaborates with AMB Crypto and Bloomberg, again, which is great to see. And also Transact there. We can buy crypto direct on the site. Now, I say the copy trading something is massive on their site, which I'll show, I'll say on the other video. We've also got the markets we're going to show you in a minute. But they also got this Fairdesk Academy, which I think is great if you're just getting crypto. It highlights what crypto is. It gives you an overview. It gives you a lot of insight into crypto. I think it's really good. But you go on their dashboard here. Now, on here, you can see promotion and bonuses. That obviously depends how much of a trader you are, for example, how much bonuses they'll give you. If you're a massive trader, you get some real solid bonuses. Even people with lesser sort of trading volume, you'll still get some bonuses. Now, the Arena V2, I'll just show you this briefly. This is basically something, it's like a, to be honest, it's like red or black at the casino playing blackjack, isn't it? Let's be honest, where you can basically, what is the market going to do in the next sort of 30 seconds or something? Is it going to bearish or bullish? And you've got the odds there, okay? Now you can see here the bearish odds, but the bullish odds are slightly higher. And you can do that, as I say. That's just something I like to play with. It's not something I'm going to use as like a passive income or anything like that. It's just a bit of fun to play with if you want to do it. But again, like with any exchange or anything in crypto, never put anything into crypto you can't afford to lose. Okay, so that's so important I state that, because there's no guarantees on here with copy trading or anything you want to do, buying cryptos. Even this part, this little fun bit they do is Arena V2, which I think is a really fun way of doing it. I think people can have a lot of fun with that. Okay, now also when you go here, the VIP stand affiliate, you don't need to worry about that. I do have a link below. If you want to join Fairdesk, use my referral link. Do appreciate it. Just support the channel. I say it's really important now to find these high quality exchanges which allow UK residents and are being built for longevity. I think it's absolutely important. Now, you've got the reward center. Again, if you do a lot of trading, you get some rewards. Proof of reserves. Now, I think that is absolutely imperative with any exchange. Now, obviously, since we're up in 2022, etc., with FTX and many, many other exchanges, which were dropping a lot. Let's say we lost a lot of exchanges, and there was a lot of dodges. The latest one, me personally, was Bit4X. Now, I only joined Bit4X purely to get some RMI a long time ago. Okay, and I didn't realize I'd actually left a very, very small amount, only about 20, 30,000 RMI on there, but now the site's totally blocked. Okay, I know that's a minuscule amount, 20, 30,000 RMI. I didn't realize I left it on there, to be honest. However, it just goes to show that you want solid exchanges. Now, this proof of reserves, I think, is absolutely fantastic. You can see that 100% of the user assets are reserved. Fairdesk provides Merkle tree proof, platform reserves, and a platform reserve ratio on a regular basis. Now you can see here the Bitcoin reserve ratio, for example. Platform assets 227 Bitcoin, users assets 201. So it's still got 26 Bitcoin. So basically, regardless, the whole point of this proof of reserves is basically whether you're in a bull market or bear market, they can sustain the user's assets. Okay, you think of FTX was basically gambling using the user's assets, which is actually disastrous. Now, consider what happened with FTX. I strongly do believe, and I've heard that some countries now will adopt where you can only basically have the exchange operate in that country if they can prove their reserves. So I think that's actually important. You see the Ethereum reserve ratio, 156%. USD Tether, I think, is really important. Platform assets, you can see that's absolutely huge. They've got 322%. So reserves are absolutely sufficient. Users' assets, you can see. So they've got a lot of Tether. Again, when you think in bear market, bull market, that's absolutely fantastic. USDC as well. It's great to see, 396%. And it's got all the wallet, Fairdesk wallet details there, and you can actually see them. Okay, and again, that's really important, so people can actually go on the network and actually see they've got these genuine reserves. Again, absolutely fantastic and wonderful to see. So I do like that. So you go there and you've got all the different parts of it. And also got this section down here, the announcement, Telegram group, about us. They talk about it, crypto prices, help center. But I think this academy is a really good part. I really do like that. Now, again, the future side of thing, I say I'm going to show you this on a separate video. You've got the copy trade there. It's got simulated trade, but basically it's trade with zero risk. It's basically pretend money. So again, I think that's really good. Got another link there for the Reader V2. Excuse me, I've got this, still trying to get over this flu. It's driving me mad. Anyway, slowly getting over it. Anyway, so you've got the copy trader show. The spot you'd expect, the spot trading. Me personally, I think it's a wonderful opportunity to get, you've got your spot here, all the different traditional cryptos on here, a lot of some low cap gems as well, all the major ones you'd expect on here as well. Okay, so it's a wonderful opportunity. You just hit any one you want. You can do a trade, for instance, Algorand and USDT, and it's very much straightforward. I've showed many times before in a video. It's just different parts of it. It's easy to buy. That's what I like about it on these exchanges. We make it something very simple to use. And I think that's really important, especially with people just getting involved with crypto. I think it's absolutely imperative. So again, they've got the buy crypto section. You can't buy it direct on the site. You have to use a third party to get your crypto, or you can buy from elsewhere. Now, I've said before, when you buy direct on a site, for instance, Coinbase, where you literally bank transfers and you get your USDC or whatever altcoin or Bitcoin, whatever you want to get, that's absolutely fine. But sometimes when you use these third parties with their costs, sometimes it's cheaper to buy on Coinbase, for example, and send it across. Okay, and that's what, again, you do your own research. Me personally, I find that actually slightly cheaper sometimes. Now, earn. Again, structural saving. Again, I think it's absolutely wonderful part of this. I think it's, you look at these sort of APY percentage, I think it's absolutely incredible what they're offering here. So again, it's something I need to look into more. Okay, and you think of even the traditional ones like Bitcoin, they're doing a duration of 7 days, you can get 10 to 18% APY. It's absolutely incredible. Flexible savings, again, when you can basically take out whenever you want, again, is fantastic. You don't often see Tether at 3%, to be honest with you. I'm just going through all of them, they've got many on here, and I think it's absolutely incredible that they've got these savings on it. I think it's wonderful. And you also got they do break it down to fixed savings, FTT, their own token there, and also got VIP exclusive savings. Okay, USDC, again, good to see, base APY 6%. So again, there's many parts to this site which I think is absolutely incredible. Okay, they've got all the traditional down here, your assets you got here, you got your dashboard there, which again, you've got notifications. Where if you want to change it USDT, you've got different languages. But when you scroll back here, again, you scroll down here and you can see you can get the download the Fairdesk app. You've got the App Store, obviously Android, the APK, and it's all there. Start earning, say, go trade. So again, that's something I'm going to show you next bit. I've been using this now for a few weeks. I just want to go through exactly what I've been doing. And I said, if you want to actually do some copy trading, now again, you've got to think risk with that. So only time will tell how that gets on. But also, get on here on the actual coin market, you actually see the Fairdesk trading volume. Very impressive, to be honest. You can see there, it's a nice little solid amount. It states here reserve data unavailable. Obviously, they've got that on their site. Just need to tally up here, don't they? And again, it talks about where Fairdesk was. I say, starting 2021, forward-looking company focused on building trading platform in Singapore. Fairdesk enables products like spot futures, copy trade, and lots of interesting things to global users. Fairdesk has more than average volume of 3 million per day, and Fairdesk CEO has a history of excellent work at Morgan Stanley, as well as we talked about the financial license Canada, USA, which I think is absolutely fantastic. I really do like the fact they've got that. That really highlights to me they're thinking long term. They want to be legitimate long term, and no sort of queries about them. People question their legitimacy and all that. They want to be, really open and transparent, as I say. So it's a wonderful opportunity to get with Fairdesk. I think as they develop even further, 3 years, still developing, still going to list more project low cap gems on here. So it's a wonderful opportunity. So I say there is a link below if you want to join the site. We'll talk about the copy trade soon. They really do make it very, very easy. I don't think I've actually come across an exchange where they showed the copy trading to be so easy. I've showed you ones before, which I still use now and again, but this one to me is very easy to use, extremely. So that's wonderful, obviously positive with that. So time will tell how we go with this market. It was a bit of a dump in the last sort of few days. We expect that. It always seems to happen just before the halving. That's just the way the market works. But we've still got a wonderful year ahead. And if you need to get on exchange, I strongly recommend Fairdesk. So thanks very much. Anyone help as usual, email me, info@cryptostrang.com, or my social media links below. Come and join us on Telegram group. Give regular updates on Fairdesk, how they develop and how the trading is going. And I'll say one of the next videos will be solely about the copy trade on Fairdesk. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful weekend. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.